Take this advice from me for free. If you want to grow, you want to get better at what you do, read books. After reading a certain book, I realized that, yes, of a truth, I have actually made some mistakes in this life. And the only way for me to correct this mistake is by accepting that truly I made this mistake, owning up to it, and willing to take responsibility. After so many realizations and thoughts, I said to myself, peace, this is the time where you rebuild, rebrand, re-strategize, take your life more seriously and grow. No need to complain, no need to whine like a kid, because you're definitely not a kid anymore. You have to take responsibility for your action. You have to stand up and walk. Life is no longer waiting for you to complain. It's moving forward whether you're ready or not. We've gone past the age of pointing fingers or blaming circumstances. The truth is, nobody actually owes you a perfect life. What you owe yourself is growth, improvement, and the courage to build. Every mistake you make in this life, every failure, every bad decision you've made, they're not meant to bury you. They are lessons. But the question now is, are you even learning from these lessons? Are you learning from these failures? Are you learning from these mistakes that you have made? Or are you just complaining? The greatest investment that you ever make in yourself is not material things, not in other people's opinion, but rather the greatest investment you ever make for yourself is your self-development, self-rebranding, re-strategizing yourself, developing yourself, growth. When some people are winning, people will think that, oh, life favors these people more. Things like that, for me, I don't think it exists. It's just because these people stopped complaining and started taking their lives seriously and started taking responsibility for everything that goes on in their life. They studied their mistakes, asked questions, sought wisdom, they built themselves piece by piece. There are so many people that don't take advice. They'll be like, I'll do what I want to do. I do things without asking anybody, because you can't know it all. Sometimes you need to ask a child some certain questions for you to be, okay, actually sure that, yeah, this is what I actually have to do. If you want to see changes, you have to start with yourself. Just like I've asked myself, what am I doing wrong? And I have realized what I'm doing wrong. What can I do better? And I have realized what I can do better. What must I unlearn? Because definitely check your cupboard. There are some things that you definitely need to unlearn. What must I embrace? Sometimes you need to embrace peace. You need to embrace joy. You need to embrace happiness. You need to embrace the fact that you don't know it and someone has to tell you. Growth begins the moment you stop blaming the world and start working on yourself. See, you never get past the age of working on yourself. Building yourself is not just chasing money and success. It's about character, how you communicate, how you handle pressure, how you treat people, how you bounce back when life knocks on your door. When life hits you like trailer, how do you bounce back? Stop thinking life is unfair. Honestly, I used to think life was so unfair with me. I'll be like, nah, life won't pass safe. But it happens to everybody. The difference is how you respond, how you complain. Will you keep complaining, or will you rise up and, create solutions? You need to create solution for yourself. Sometimes the solution you need lies around you, but you just cannot see it. Correct yourself where you've gone wrong. Learn a new skill if it's necessary. Build an emotional intelligence. Be open to constructive criticism, because that's how growth happens. And remember, the people who make it in life are not the ones that had it easiest. They are the ones who refuse to remain the same. The moment you refuse to remain the same, progress will come. Take a moment to reflect. If you continue living the way you are today, where will you be in the next 5 years? I'm not just saying this to myself, I'm also saying it to you. Complaining will not give you a better future. Rather, growth will. Build new habits. Learn how to communicate effectively with yourself, with others. If something is wrong, don't just shout about it. Fix it. If you fail, don't hide it. Don't hide from it. Learn from it. Every day is a new opportunity for you to build yourself into the person of your dream. Yes. You can become wiser, more disciplined, more creative. If only you choose to stop wasting your time on, or wasting your energy on things you can't control. Life is just like a construction site though, and you are both the architect and the builder in this situation. Some days will be hard, some bricks will fall, but you cannot stop building. Correct yourself when you fall short, grow from your mistakes, seek knowledge, because ignorance will keep you stuck. And most importantly, communicate with yourself, mentors, and those you think can lift you higher. Let's say this together. The era of complaining is over. It's time to build yourself. It's time to build yourself into the dream you want. Remember, nobody is going to save you, but you have everything within yourself to save yourself. So get up, look in the mirror and start building. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Don't wait for when you have the most aesthetically pleasing videos before you can post them or aesthetic background. Post that content. Okay? I only wanted to see if I was still good with doing my makeup by myself, but I think I ate. If I keep doing this, I'm gonna be better at doing my makeup, my Aswebi makeup, because I have Aswebi this Christmas. So I definitely want to do my makeup myself, and I know I'm gonna do slate, in fact, and also do my makeup for, club parties and all of that. So I know that makeup like onion, because doing other people's makeup is easier than doing your own makeup. This is my own point of view. I don't know about other people, but for me, doing my makeup is harder than doing other people's makeup. Say no to procrastination. Post that content, because content creation pays a lot. There's so much money on the social media. I'm not gonna lie to you. End procrastination today. Damongr. Hey. This is one of the reasons why I prefer lip oil to lip gloss. For that my lip oil now, no one touch them. Make up to no go touch them. Oh, I'm very gonna blend here. This is kiss. What do you guys think about my makeup? Did I eat? Yes. I'll give myself a solid 6 or 5. 5 was but 6, because it's not that bad. Bye. See you guys in my next video.